Hello class, and welcome to section 10.1d, which is about the volume of pyramids. By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to find the volume of triangular and rectangular pyramids. A pyramid is a 3D figure that only has one base and triangles for the rest of the sides. The two types of pyramids that we're going to be looking at are rectangular and triangular. For the rectangular pyramid, the volume formula is going to be base times height, in parentheses, times the height of the pyramid divided by 3. This base times height is going to be the area of this bottom figure. Since the bottom figure is a rectangle, we have base times height as its area. For the triangular pyramid, we've got volume is equal to base times height divided by 2 times the height of the pyramid divided by 3. We have again that area of the base, so the area of this bottom triangle, the base times height divided by 2, times the height of that whole pyramid, and then divided by 3. So, for example, in this first one, we look at the bottom and we notice that it is a rectangular pyramid. So I'm going to go ahead and say that volume is equal to, in parentheses, the area of that bottom, so 9 times 5, base times height, and then times the height of the pyramid, which is going to be times 12, and then divided by 3. So that's going to give me my volume for this first pyramid is going to equal 180, and then again, label should be cubed, just like all of our other volume expressions that we've done so far. Another example over here on the right, we have the base again is a rectangle, and I've got 17 and 13 for my height now. So I've got volume is equal to the area of the base, so 17 times 13 times the height of my pyramid, which is 21, and then divided by 3. So the volume of this pyramid is going to be 1,547 meters cubed. So again, you're finding the area of the bottom, in this case both of them are rectangles, and then multiplying by that pyramid height. Go ahead and try this one on your own. Finding the area of the bottom, multiplying by the height, dividing by 3, you get an answer of 8 inches cubed. Now we're going to do a few examples with the triangles. So if you look at this pyramid, we have a triangle on the bottom instead of a rectangle. So now we need to, when we do that first part, we're going to say the volume is equal to the area of the bottom, so base of 16 times height of 17.9, and then divided by 2 because it's a triangle. And then we're going to multiply by the height of the pyramid, which is 18.8, and then we're going to divide by 3. So our volume for this pyramid is going to be 897.39 millimeters cubed. Looking at this second example on the right, again you notice that there is a triangle on the bottom. So we've got our base times height divided by 2 for the area. So we're going to start with 5 times 4 divided by 2. And then we're going to multiply by the height of that pyramid, which is 6. And then you're going to go ahead and divide by 3, giving you a volume of 20 feet cubed for this particular pyramid. Go ahead and try this one on your own. Setting up, we do base times height divided by 2, and then multiplying by the height of the pyramid, dividing by 3, gives us 84 yards cubed. And then we're going to finish up with a couple word problems here. So Camilla was shopping and bought a candle in the shape of a pyramid. Find the volume of wax needed to make the candle. So you're going to look at the bottom here, and you're going to notice that it's a rectangle. So we're going to use that rectangle formula, which says volume is equal to base times height times the height of the pyramid divided by 3. So when you plug in your information into the problem, you're going to get volume is equal to your base of 3 times your height of 3, because that's from our rectangle on the bottom, times the height of our pyramid, which is 4, divided by 3, which gives us a final volume of 12 inches cubed. 12 inches cubed. Go ahead and try this one on your own. Again, we've got a rectangle on the bottom. Height of the pyramid is 15. Dividing by 3 gives you a final answer of 280 centimeters cubed. If you have questions about this or anything else from the lesson, please feel free to reach out and let me know.